Hi everyone and welcome to this video. My name is John Jardin from Agilit-e, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for React development. Now before we move forward, there is a dependency. In order to follow along with this video, you need to have Node.js and npm running. If you don't, you can stop the video here and you can just go and reference one of the other videos as part of this dev series, which is on the left hand side here, the Node.js and MVM. That will give you everything that you need to follow along with this video. I also recommend these optional tools when it comes to React.js development. So for example, Postman is quite important because you will be working with a lot of web services and Postman will be your friend in that regard. Git and source tree, there will be a lot of source code. You should be using a lot of source code, source control management. And then finally, VS Code, a great code editor, and it works wonders with React.js, especially with the plugins that I recommend as part of this video. So I've got videos for macOS and for Windows. And all you need to do is reference the Agilit-e channel on YouTube, but I'll also post links to the description of this video as well as the blog entry. So let's get started. So here I have High Sierra running as my VM, and I've opened up Safari. What we're going to be doing, there's two parts to this. The first is, if you don't have Google Chrome, I highly recommend it when it comes to React development, especially with React and Redux plugins that you can install for Chrome, which I'll be showing as part of this video. So if you don't have Chrome, just go to google.com/Chrome, and that will take you to this page where you can go and download Chrome. Alright, so I've already done that on my side. I'm just going to go to the downloads folder, and there's Google Chrome over there. I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to drag the icon into the applications folder. Once that is done, I will just close this over here, go to the applications folder, search for Chrome. Where is it? Search for Google Chrome, and let's double click to run this. So set Chrome as your default browser, blah blah blah. It's really up to you. I'm just going to deselect these for now, and I'm going to say start Google Chrome, and let's maximize this. Right, so what I want to do next is I want to install two very important plugins or extensions when it comes to React development. And to do that, I'm just going to go to chrome://apps, and I'm just going to click on Web Store. And I'm going to search for React Developer Tools. Sorry for the flashing, something's not working 100% in my virtual machine. So there's React Developer Tools. We just click on Add to Chrome. Yes, we add extension. And once that's added, we're going to do one more. Just do a search for Redux. And there's Redux Dev Tools. We want to add this to Chrome as well. Right, so our Chrome browser is now ready for React development. So the next thing that we're going to do, I'm just going to close Chrome for now, otherwise this flashing is going to kill me. Right, I've just closed Chrome, and I'm going back to Safari, and I'm going to close this browser window. The next window we have over here is on GitHub. Under Facebook, we have a project called Create React App. This is a brilliant project created by Facebook, and I highly recommend it when starting off with any new React application. I've even migrated some React applications from the traditional methods that I used to a Create React App environment, because within this, you've already got Webpack capabilities, minimizing, bundling, hot reloading of the browser, and various other important tools that you would have to manually sort of piece together when you're doing React development. So as a default, we usually, any new React project that we start in Agilit-e, we start with Create React App, and then from there we'll decide how we move forward. Right, so to run this, we're going to open up Terminal. And we're actually just going to, the easiest way to do this is just to set up a sample app. So I am going to create I'm going to navigate to the documents source tree folder. So I'm just going to say cd, and I'm going to drag source tree over there so that there we go. So now we're inside the source tree folder, And what we want to do next is we want to say npm init create React app. So npm init React app and the name of the app. So this will be like a sample React app. Alright, so that's all we need to do in order to kickstart our new React application. I misspelled sample there. Apologies for that. So this will take a moment to download. It sets up all the dependencies, the modules, sets up the project. Everything that we need happens during this time. So I'm just going to pause the video here and just wait for everything to finish. And everything's done over here. So all we need, and they even provide us with suggestions on what to do next. So we'll go into the folder that the project's been created inside, and we'll be running npm start, and that will launch our project. So let's just go cd sample misspelt project folder, and inside there I'm just going to say npm start. And that will open up, it's opened up in Safari because we had Safari open, and there is our boilerplate React application. And it is lightweight enough to actually start working with this boilerplate for whatever kind of application you want. You don't have to, you hardly have to remove anything in order to get your own custom application up and running. So I would highly recommend doing this moving forward. Let's just copy this URL and let's open up Chrome. And I just want to show you over here, inside Chrome, you'll notice once we load the application, you can see over here the icon became active, and it shows that this page is using the development build of React. So yes, this is why I highly recommend Chrome when it comes to working with React. And obviously, as a default, there's no Redux store for this boilerplate React application. So even if we go to Redux Dev Tools, there won't really be anything to show. So that's it for this video. Until next time, cheers.